Good afternoon, media friends and partners. Today marks a significant milestone, not just for Lotus, but for all of us at Autohub. We're thrilled to finally and officially open the doors to our brand new Lotus showroom here at the heart of Bonifacio Global City in Taguig. This moment is a testament of our unwavering commitment to bringing world-class and top-notch automotive experiences in the Philippines. As we open once again our Lotus facility, we are not just unveiling a showroom, we are creating a space where passion for driving and innovation comes to life. I'm excited to debut to all of you the all-new Lotus Emeya, the first four-door electric hyper Grand Tourer. It represents the perfect fusion of Lotus legendary engineering and with cutting-edge technology, setting a new standard for electric vehicles. We are also proud to showcase Lotus Emira and Lotus Electra, which together represents the future of luxury and performance. At Autohub, we believe in delivering nothing short of excellence. And this new showroom is our way of reaffirming that promise to you, our valued customers and friends. We look forward to welcoming you into this space and sharing a thrilling journey of Lotus with you.